how to change Uber Eats bicycle to car. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've started delivering on a bike but now want to switch to using a car, here's what you need to know. There are two main ways to make this change. The first method is to contact Uber Eats customer support directly. Only customer support has the authority to officially switch your delivery vehicle from bicycle to car. Open the Uber driver app, go to help, and send a message explaining that you'd like to change your vehicle type. They may request some documents, such as your driver's license, car insurance, and vehicle registration. The second method, which some users find easier and faster, is to create a second Uber Eats account using a different email address and phone number. This way, you can keep your original bicycle account and have a new one registered under a car. Make sure you submit the necessary car-related documents when signing up. So that's basically how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to car. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.